To develop this 2 to 4 decoder, we took the 3 input AND gate and a logic probe, logic state and NOT gate, and we connected all these connections. Okay. To develop this 2 to 4 decoder, we took the 3 input AND gate and a logic probe, logic state and NOT. Please draw the 2 to 4 decoder, then we will see the values. We will check the truth table of 2 to decoder. Okay, 2 more minutes I'm giving you. Please complete the circuit. Then we will discuss these the inputs. Here we are taking two inputs, A0, A1 as the inputs. E is a enable. Enable is always 1. In our case, enable is always 1. Then only our circuit will work. Okay. Enable 1, always 1. Just use the login details properly. Don't copy the extra spaces. Don't copy the extra spaces. Amit Ranjan, please.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm done.
Take it. Okay. 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 Mm. Here we are taking 2 to 4 decoder. Two inputs we are giving A0, A1 and one enable. Okay. Enable will be always 1. Then only it will work fine. Okay. Next I am playing the simulation. Okay. Here 0 0. This one is the Y. This one is the Y0. Okay. Next Z 0 0 1. First one is a Y0. Then A0 0 1. A0 A0 1 and this one 1 0 1 1. This is Y1. This is Y2. This is Y3. These are the values for decoder. Okay, we will try these values here. Already it is simulating. It start the simulation. So I am changing 0 Y0. This is the Y1. A0 A1 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 A11 A0 1. This is the values. Only when we are giving input values at particular at present at particular time, only one output will be high. This is the decoder 0011 A1 A011. Okay, A01 A01 A1 A01 A10. This is the values when this is the Y0 Y1 Y2 Y3. These are the values. Okay, here we are connecting these values according to the our connections only 0. Now I am stop the simulation. Here we are connecting 1 1, so that's why here it is 1 1, then only it will this AND gate. It is AND gate. AND gate is all input should be 1, then only it will be high. So that logic it will work. Okay, here we are giving these two inputs, then we are getting these 4 outputs according to these two input values. These are the input values 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. According that we are getting these values. If two values are zeros, y0 will y output will be y0. This is our y0. Okay, two values will be high, y3 will be high. This is our y3. This is y1. This is y2. Okay, same thing we'll explain in PPT. The values. Okay. Okay. PPT is visible to everyone?
No, sir, PPT is not very.
No?
Yes, sir, visible. No, it's visible.
Okay. Here, if enable pin is 0, we don't get any output. Y3, Y1 all are 0. Okay. When enable pin is high, then only our logic will be work. Okay. Here A0, A1, A0, both are 0, only Y0 output will be activated. Only Y0 is activated. And same way, then A1 will be 0, A0 will be 0, then Y2 will be 1, high. Remaining all are 0. Then Y1, A0, A1, A0, high, then Y3 output will be high. When we are operating any circuit with the help of two, if you want to control four output values with the help of two inputs, in that scenario we will use this 2 to 4 decoder. If you want to control two input values with 4 output values, in that case we will use this 2 to 4 decoder. Here memory, maximum memory options, memory addresses will use these decoder options. Maximum ROM in memory, ROM, every time ROM will be used this process with the help of decoders. It will retrieve the data from hard disk. ROM will use this process. Okay, this is the value. Just check the values. Okay, in your circuit, these values. check the values. Okay, 0 0 0 1, all these values, please note down these values first, then try to check the values. Please just note down these values, then test the values into circuit. Okay, let's just note down these values. Okay, please check the values, everyone. Everyone, please practice hands-on. Develop the circuits hands-on. Then you will understand the input values. Okay, what the input we are giving, what output we are getting. Is everyone? Okay. Next, I'm going to the circuit. Next, I'm going to next we are doing 3 to 8 decoder. Here also decoder is if we are giving n input lines, according with that we will get 2 power n output lines. Okay, here we are giving 3 input lines. With the help of 3 input lines, we are developing 8. 2 power 3 is 8 output lines. So if you want to control any circuit, if you want to control with the 3 inputs, with 3 inputs you want to control 8 outputs, you have to use this decoder circuit in that case. Okay. Okay. Based on these 3 inputs, our 8 outputs will be selected. Okay. This is a truth table for that. First, we will develop this 3 to 8 decoder. Okay. First, we will develop 3 to 8 decoder. Then we will go for truth table explanation. Here also we are doing with not and gates. This is a active high state. If you want to do other circuit, I will show you 1 minute. Same circuit with a NAND gate. This is active low. Here input NAND gate. I am taking 3 input NAND gate. Up to now we get, I am replacing NAND gate with AND gate with a NAND gate. Okay, here just see, remaining all are ones, only particular bit will be 0. Okay, this is the reverse combination for 2 to 4 decoder. This is the reverse combination for 2 to decoder. Okay, do you understand? Before that we did all AND gates, that is only particular pin you want to low, we will use this concept. Okay, this is the only last one will be 0. In previous case, in same every case same, A0, A3, A1, I'm showing you PPT. Here in this, here we are getting only Y0, Y1 ones, but in one place we will get zeros. In remaining places we will get 1. This is the application for decoder. If you want to get only one output high, you can use 2 to 4 decoder, and you want to control 3 input, 1 output should be low. In that case also we will use decoders. Okay, this is 3 to 8 decoder. Same way decoder. Here we are, first we will develop this decoder. Okay, then we will do other circuits. Just try this one also. Just take the screenshot, this one, try it later. Okay, this is we will call as a okay, try this one, just take the screenshot. Okay, next we will develop 3 to 8 decoder. No firmware, I am selecting no firmware project. Next. Okay, here same way what we created before. First we need to select NOT gate, AND gate, AND gate. Okay, next I am selecting logic state, logic probe. Okay, same way I am selecting logic state. I am using NOT gate. AND gate, we will get 8 outputs, so 8 AND gates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right. Okay. Here, how I am connecting this, I am writing here notation. I am connecting. First one is 0, 0, 0. This one is 1, 1, 1. Same way. 0. This one. Sorry. One, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the connections I am making. Okay. Here all are zeros. Next, same way I am connecting. Here I am taking. See here. This is the here A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay, I'm taking like this way. I'm taking. Okay. One, B 0, C 0, 0. I'm connecting 0. B1. Here I'm taking A, 0, B1, B1, C0, C0, B1, A1, next A0, A0, B0, B0, C1, A1. Here my connection is my ground. It is connected 2 pins. I'm deleting it. A1, B0, C1. Okay. Next A0, A0, B1, C1. Okay. Next I'm connecting logic probes output side. This I'm removing this logic probe I'm connecting. Okay. Now I'm simulating it. According to my guess, this one is all high. This one will be high. All zeros. This one y1 will be y0 will be only these three inputs. This one will be high. When I'm giving all ones, last one will be high. Like that, these values, according to these values, I connected this circuit. This is the 3 to 8 decoder. Okay, same. You can just connect the circuit, then we will check the output values. Okay, just try. Take 15 minutes to connect the circuit. Okay. For Microsoft, it takes lots of time. Please take 15 minutes to do the circuit. Then yet same way, every time please create new project. Okay, I'm changing these values. I'm removing these values. Okay, just draw the circuit. Then we will check the output values. Take 15 minutes time to do the circuit. It's 6:02 now. Takes it up to 6:15.
ये तो राखिया शैम्पू कहाँ चल गया।
Just take the values. Complete. Okay, everyone is completed. Hands on. Okay. Now we will check the values. Okay, now we will check the values. We are giving. First, I'm start the simulation run the simulation. Okay, it's starting the simulation. Now I'm making all zeros, A and B and C. Okay, zeros. So only D1 will be high. Only D1 will be high. Same way, I'm making one here. Here, according to this, I'm writing here. Check the values. C, B, A. Okay. This one is D0 and this is a D7. Okay. Now C 0. Now I'm making B is 1, the third one here D3, D2. I'm making D1, D2, D2 high. Okay, second, this value is completed, this value is completed, this value is completed. Now A is 0, B and C are 1, 1. So D4, D3, sorry, D3 are high. Now I'm making here 0 and here 1. Okay, D4 is 1. Only B and C are zeros, A is high. Only B and C are zeros, A is high. Here B, I'm erasing B. Okay. Next, I'm taking these both are high. This one is okay. D5 is high. D5 is high. A and C are both are high. D5 is high. Then I'm going for A and B is high and B is A and B is high. D6 is high. then all are high, D7 is high. Like that it is when we are giving to the input different values, according that this output will be giving the high values. Please check this, check the values. Then we will do one experiment with this. We will develop graph mode. Here we will develop, for this we will develop graph mode here. Okay, I'm stop the simulation. I'm stopping the simulation. Just you can try these values. Just try these all these values. Okay. Just try all these values in here. Just try all these values here. Okay. I thought that everyone complete the checking the values. If anyone not completed, just complete the checking the values. Then we will go for graph mode for the same circuit. We will develop graph mode. Okay. Everyone is completed the values, checking the values. Please try, everyone, please try. It's a hands-on session. Please, everyone, please try. Please complete the test the values. Then we will go for same circuit. We are develop graph mode and a pattern. We are giving manually. We are changing the values up to now. So next time onwards, we will change we will use patterns here. So if you please check the value checking the values is complete, then we will go for the next concept. Within 1 minute I will go and I will share all the circuits what we developed. The circuits I will share with you today. Next time you can save them and try in your system. Okay. Just okay. We are going for next. We will develop the same circuit. We develop the patterns. Graph mode. Before going to graph mode, here you can just observe here A values. A values are 0 0. Only A values 0 0 0 0 4 zeros 4 ones. B values 4 0 2 zeros 2 ones 0s ones, and C values 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, here in place of 0 I am taking L. Next in pattern it is 0 and I am taking low, capital L's I will use there. Same thing I'm typing here. Okay, here same values I'm taking. A values are low, 4 lows, 4 highs. Same value, same way. B values are 2 lows, highs, lows, high, and C values are low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. This is the values. We will use these values now. I'm saving these. Okay, in circuit. Okay. Okay, I'm stop the simulation. Just I'm removing this. Okay, same circuit here in Proteus VSM. Please see here. These are the generators. Here, these are the generators. When I click this button, this symbol, it is a generators. Here in generators, we have different sources. Different sources. Okay, these are the different sources. Okay, in this, I'm using D pattern. Here, I'm using D pattern. Okay, here I'm using D pattern. Here I'm selecting D pattern in the generators. Just observe. Here it is a generator. Here it is generator. Here I'm taking D pattern. In generators I'm taking D pattern. This one is the symbol for D pattern. Okay, just I'm taking D patterns. Instead of giving with the help of logic state, here I'm using D pattern to give the inputs. So I'm selecting this logic state. Okay, then I'm connecting here. Just I'm zooming for better view. Okay, here I'm connecting here to here, here to here, here to here. Okay, and here I'm double clicking on it. Double clicking on it, so I get this value here. D pattern here. Just see here. Here in this I'm not changing any other values. I'm not changing any other values. Only I'm using specific pulse train. Here specific pulse train. I'm clicking on specific pulse train. Here first one is A. In my conceptual it is A. So just I'm taking these values here. PPT values, minimize A, H low, copy. I'm copying the values H low, low, high, low, 4 times low and 4 times high. How I get these values? Here, this is the in PPT. These are the values. A pattern. Every 0 I'm taking LL. For 0, all zeros. These are 4 zeros. A pattern. Zeros, 4 zeros. I'm taking 4 L's. 4 ones. These are 4 ones. I'm taking in place of 4 ones. I'm taking 4 H values. Okay, 0. B values 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. I'm taking same values, low, low, high, high, low, low, high, high. Same way, C value 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, low, high, low, high, low, high. I'm taking low, high, low, high, low, high values. Same values I'm taking. Okay. Here same type. I'm taking same values. Okay. I'm not changing any other. Only I clicked on. I'm double clicking on it. Mouse left button. I'm double clicking on it. It's open. Specific pulse trend. Here I'm typing. I'm copying those values. Low, high, low, high, low, high. 4 times, 4 times. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it will come here. Now it will come here. Okay, same way B values I'm taking specific pulse 10, low, high, 2 times low, 2 times high. Okay, here I'm changing height properties to I'm opening it to see the properties. Okay, we will see the pattern here. Next, I'm double clicking on it. Here specific pulse 10. Here I'm taking low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Okay. Here also I'm opening hide properties. Okay, done. Then it is done. Now just I'm running the simulation. Just check run the simulation. Automatically it's changing the values. We given some wrong values. Any wrong value? Low, high, low, high. Low, high, low, high. Okay. I'm playing the simulation. Just sorry, I want to change the values from that inside to its side. Okay, right. Here I need to give here high to low, high, low, low, high, high, low, low, high, high. Okay. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Okay. Now it's okay. Here, first this is the A, this is the B, this is the C. So I given reverse. Okay, this is the pattern coming. Okay. Next, I given now it is changing automatically. It is changing automatically. Why? Before case I am using logic state for one input. I need to change manually. Now it is automatically changing the values. Okay. Next we have one more. This is the automatic process. If you want to check any values, you can give the values here. It will come here. It will give the output automatically. Patterns. You need to give the patterns. These are the patterns. How we providing 0, 0, 1s, 1 zeros and ones to the input to the circuit. That is the pattern we will take, and we will get outputs like this. Okay. Okay. Next we have one more option called. Next I am going for one more option. We have one more option called probes, voltage probes. Here we have called probes option. After generators we have option called probes, voltage. Here we need to select voltage probe. Okay, and I need to stop the simulation. Then here I need to select voltage probe. This symbol is the voltage probe. Just remember, this symbol is the voltage probe. Okay, this is the probe symbol. Here I am selecting voltage. Okay, voltage probe. Here I am placing voltage probe onto the my wire. Okay, just to see here, I placed here. Same way I'm placing here on wire. Same way I'm placing here on wire. Okay, 3 are placed. Next, I'm placing just I'm making zoom. Okay, same way I'm selecting probe. Okay, I'm placing here. Okay. Okay, probes are placed. Next, here we have called one graph mode. Here we have a graph mode. In this graph mode, I am selecting graph mode. Here, first one. This is the graph mode. Above the generators, we have pop-up. Above the pop-up, we have a graph mode. This one is the graph mode. This one is the graph mode. This one is the graph mode. Just I'm in the graph mode. I am selecting digital. Here I am drawing the digital. I say this is the trace for graph mode. When I am clicking on it, it will place the analysis, digital analysis. Okay, done. Okay. Next, I am doing same thing. I am selecting the voltage probe. Now I am selecting the voltage probe. When I am moving my cursor to here, it will show there. I need to click my mouse right button. Mouse right click. We need to select drag object. Okay, and first I will place this one. I am placing. First I need to select, move the cursor near to the voltage probe, and then I am clicking my mouse right button. Then it will open this pop-up. Then drag object and dragging object and placing on digital analysis graph mode. Okay, one. Same way I moved my cursor to the graph voltage probe, and I'm clicking on my mouse right click, and here we have an option called drag object. Selecting drag object, placing here. Same way I move the cursor here, and I'm clicking here, right click of mouse, drag object, place the object. Same way I'm placing everything, all voltage probes. Select drag object, place object, select drag object, place object, select right click, drag object, place object. I'm selecting one left click. First we need to click left click, then it will select, then we need to click right, then this pop-up will open. Here you have to select drag object. Okay, here I'm selecting first left click, then I need to click right, drag object, place object. First click, drag object, place object, drag object, place object, drag object, placing the object. I forgot to place here voltage probe, so I'm clicking voltage here probe, and here I'm selecting voltage probe. I'm placing voltage probe on wire. Okay, select drag object and place object. Done. This is the now 50% work is done. Then I'm going to simulating the circuit. Okay, run simulation is doing. Okay, then I'm stopping the simulation. Stop the simulation. I am moving my cursor to the digital analysis graph, and I am clicking above the graph, right click, right click and simulate graph. Here simulate graph. Done. Here okay. Here graph is generated, so I'm maximizing the show. I'm maximizing the graph windows. Okay, this is the symbol. Here I am moving. Okay, no need to here. Just okay, everyone try up to here. Please try, everyone please try here this graph mode, then I will tell you. Here I will tell you. Okay, up to here, just everyone please try, everyone just take time and try, everyone please try this. Up to this try. I will, this is the when I'm simulate maximizing the graph, and just double clicking on it. Here I'm taking 100 steps. Run the simulation, stop the simulation, simulate the graph. 100 steps, maximize the graph. This is the graph. This is the graph. Okay, up to here please everyone try. Up to here try how to place the graph's voltage probes on graph mode. Try up to here, please try, everyone. Okay, I will discuss remaining things once again. I will tell once again. Okay, first you can try this one. Anyone have any doubts, please share in chat. Okay, Uh, anyone face any difficulty? Anyone facing difficulty for this graph mode? Anyone face difficulty in this graph mode? Okay, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I will. In your system, graph mode is not coming. That is highlighted or not? here this one is the graph mode, this one is the graph mode, not this one. So it is the generators above the generators graph mode, not this one. This is the pop-up. Above the pop-up we have a graph mode. This one is the graph mode. This is the graph mode. This one is the graph of mode. This one is the graph mode. Just try this one. In this second one, digital graph mode. This one is the graph mode. Just select this one and try graph mode. వాళ్ళకి చెప్తా నువ్వు గ్రాఫ్ మోడ్ వరకు వచ్చినావా 3 డీకోడర్ మరి గ్రాఫ్ మోడ్ వాళ్ళకి అనాలిసిస్ లేదని వస్తుందంట వాళ్ళు డోంట్ హ్యావ్ వ్యాలిడ్ లైసెన్స్ ఫర్ అడ్వాన్స్ సిమ్యులేషన్స్ అట్లా నీకు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం అయిందని అడుగుతున్నాను నాకు వచ్చింది అక్కడ దాకా ఓకే ఓకే ఏమన్నా చెప్తే నాకు మెసేజ్ పెట్టు గ్రూప్లో మెసేజ్ పెట్టు ఓకే ఓకే బ్రో బాయ్ Okay, okay, we will do another process. Okay, okay. Instead of graph mode, we will check. We will do with the help of this one is the instruments. This one is the below the voltage probe. Below the probes, we have one option called instruments. In the instruments, first one is the oscilloscope. Just to use the oscilloscope here. Just use the, I'm stop the simulation. Just to use the oscilloscope here. But here you will face some difficulty. Use the oscilloscope. Okay. Oscilloscope and connect from here to okay. First A value here to here, then B, then C, Every time one value, not all at a time. Just connect from here to here. Okay, next run the simulation. You will get this option. Just move the mouse here and just minimize it. Just minimize it. Okay, you understand? This is the graph we will get here. Okay, like this you will get. Try this one. Just you remove the. Just wait. Don't try the digital one. Just try this one. Graph with the oscilloscope. Try with oscilloscope. Try with oscilloscope. Okay. Try with oscilloscope. Try. This is the try with oscilloscope. Okay. Just try with oscilloscope this graph. Okay. Just connect the circuit like this. And do the graph mode. Do the TTI decoder graph mode. Okay, graph. Oscilloscope. With the help of oscilloscope, just develop the graph. This graph. Okay. Simulation. Okay, draw the graph mode. Okay, everyone is completed this with the oscilloscope. Just try with the oscilloscope. So I will ask our technique director to do this. Add these advanced simulation features. We will request them. Okay. Here, okay. Here I connected only. I will stop the simulation here. Here I connected only here. Some I am removing here. I connecting randomly somewhere. Okay, from here to I am generating one more connection. Here to here, done. The value. Okay. Here first one is the A value. Here first one is the A value. Second one is a B, C, and this is one value. Okay. This is a 3 to 8 decoder. Okay, done. 3 to 8 decoder. Everyone please try this. Okay, remaining all are 0. Only one case it's showing high. Just I'm removing these two and I will show you. I'm removing these three. I'm removing these three and I will add only outputs and leaving high values. Selection mode, selection connections, working connections. Okay, and now I'm taking. Okay, run the simulation. See, observe here. At particular time, one output will come. Here, you see, it is completing. Then it will open. Then it will open. Like that, it is coming. Okay. Okay, this is the graph mode. Okay, this is 3 to 8 decoder. Yes, I'm stopping the 3 to 8 decoder. Okay. Okay, I'm stopping the 3 to 8 decoder. Just I connected. This is the 3 to 8 decoder. I changed the connections from here input side to output side. I changed all input connections to I given this output side. So this is the coming like this we will get here. Here in my system I will show you outputs. What is the advantage with this advanced simulation graph is when it will stores the I'm maximizing the show. Okay, this is the input. Okay, it is the input. It will save the values at particular time. I'm clicking somewhere. It's particular value. This U3 is high. U3, U2, U1 are high. Sorry, U2 is low. U3, U1 is high. Remaining are low. U9 is high. Like that, it's showing. This one is the high. So 7, 6, 5. It is 5 value. Here it is high. 1, 0, 1. It is 5. So matching the values. We need to check like this. We will check our values in this. Okay. Like this we will do. In this one, we will request our director Okay, then they will activate these also. And I am removing the connection from here and I connected here. The same way, these outputs, same outputs I am showing you in a oscilloscope graph. Here, when I stop the simulation, oscilloscope will go, but this digital analysis, it will remain there. Okay, if you want to, that is the advantage. If you want to use this, it will saves the graph mode also. It will save the graph mode also. Okay. 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 Done. I'm stopping this one. Okay. This is the graph mode. Next, we will go for next one, encoder. These are the decoders. Stop sharing. And I stop the sharing. I'm minimizing. Okay. Now I'm sharing my PPT encoder. Now we are discussing encoder. Encoder is totally reverse to the decoder. Here in decoder, you will give n input lines, then according that you will get 2 power n output line. In encoder, we will give 2 power n input lines, 2 power n input lines, and we will get n output lines. This is the encoder. Encoder is also a combinational circuit. Encoder has used in different circuits. Encoder also using different circuits, and majorly in networking side. All networking concepts are developed with the help of encoder. Okay, parity encoder also one of the concept. In encoder we will use mostly. Okay, this is the encoder. Here encoder, the maximum we will give 2 power n input lines, then we will get n output lines, and if all the time 1 0 0 values are negligible in we don't consider these 0 0 values in input line. Zero value we not consider in encoder. Okay, so that's why here we are taking only 3 inputs and we are getting 2 outputs. This is the encoder circuit. Here this one. Okay, yeah. First one we don't consider these values, so that's why we are not giving y1 y0 values. We are not giving 0 0 values to here. Okay, same circuit we are developing now in Proteus. My Proteus screen is visible. I'm creating new project. Okay, Okay. Now I'm taking new project. Three, 2, 13. Okay, next. And A3, I'm creating schematic, not creating PCB. And I'm using no firmware project. Okay, finish. Okay, here. This one is the OR gates, 2 OR gates. We need to connect 2 OR gates. Logic, state, logic probe, OR gate. Here, just to see the input OR gate. Okay. I'm placing the components on schematic sheet. Okay, and the logic state, I'm taking 3 input logic states. And the 2 logic probes output side. Here. Okay. Now I'm checking the values with the PPT. Okay. One. This is a 3, Y3. First one is Y3, Y2, Y1. Y1. At a time, we need to give one input, one high value. Okay. This is the 3 to 8 decoder, encoder. Okay. Like this, we will see the one, which is 3, is Y3, Y2, Y1. Values are okay. I'm minimizing 0, Y1. This is 0, 1. This 2. Okay. This one. Okay. This is the encoder 2 to 4 encoder. Let's try the circuit. Okay. Let's try the circuit. Just 2 minutes. Take 2 minutes and try the circuit. Just try this one. Everyone, please write the test. This test. Complete the test very fast. Just complete the test. Please come, everyone, please complete the test. No, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I will join within 5 minutes, sir. My test is going on. My meeting is not yet completed. Okay. Okay, okay. I understand. I will tell them. Sure, sir, sure. Okay, everyone. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow is Diwali holidays. 13 and 14 is Diwali holidays. And 20 and 21st is also chat holidays. Okay. 13 and 14 we don't have any session. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow we don't have any sessions. And after that, from 15th Sunday onwards, we have 3-hour sessions. In that is time we will send you by the mail and message and WhatsApp we will send Okay. I shared all the projects with you, some projects with you. Just download that and use in. Just keep it with you. Use that if you want. Use that. Okay. We have a holiday tomorrow and after tomorrow. 13th and 14th we have a holiday. We will take 15th. We have session on 15th. Okay. And that maybe it is 3 to 6 3-hour sessions we are giving holidays. That's why we are taking next week 3-hour sessions. In your holidays we are taking 3-hour sessions. Okay.